True science does not rely on opinion. It relies on measurement, verification, and repeatability. Every event, from a simple rust spot to the rupture of a subsea pipeline, can be traced to measurable electrochemical processes. The challenge is not in theorizing what happened, but in gathering the right data and interpreting it with precision. That is the foundation of the Cathodic Protection Network method. Using the Alexander cell and DCVG survey techniques, we can locate and measure corrosion current directly at the corrosion site, converting what others can only assume into quantifiable evidence. Throughout my career, I have observed that accelerated corrosion is often mistaken for sabotage or mechanical failure. In reality, it is an electrochemical phenomenon, invisible yet immensely powerful. When electrical potentials between different points of a pipeline become unbalanced, current flows through the steel and into the electrolyte, dissolving the metal in proportion to the charge. This process can weaken a section of pipe so severely that even normal operational pressures cause a rupture that mimics an explosion. In the case of the Nord Stream pipeline, the visual and seismic evidence points toward internal pressure released rather than external detonation. If accelerated corrosion had occurred beneath a depleted anode, the steel would have thinned unnoticed until the structural strength could no longer contain the internal gas pressure. When failure occurred, the escaping gas at pressures exceeding 200 bar would have produced a shock wave strong enough to register on seismic sensors, just as a conventional explosion would. Our duty as engineers and scientists is to separate perception from proof. The media thrives on speculation, but data tells the truth. Only through systematic investigation supported by repeatable field measurements and transparent data recording on the CPN blockchain can establish the real causes behind failures. In doing so, we not only uncover the truth, but past events, but also prevent future disasters through better understanding, training and application of verified science. This picture is an example of misinformation, mistakes and public dissemination of public misinformation. This is not the Nord Stream pipeline. It's been photoshopped. They do not print Nord Stream pipeline on every section of the real pipe. They print the number of that section which is catalogued and preserved for future reference. Also, this is not a weight-coated pipeline. Also, it is flange connected, not welded. It has supports. This is a complete falsification made during what was supposed to be an investigation. Catholic Protection Network investigations cannot make these mistakes. Thank you.